How this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'm going to show you a budget leather purse for men. See here, it's a not expensive one in this case. Pay something $4 to $5. Take off here. Look at this, so beautiful. It's leather, so you feel as a leather in your hand. And chain is written. I have a big one of this one, so this one is smaller. You can put 2 ID with picture. More things you have here, you can see guys. You can put your memory cards, also SIM card while you're traveling. Very good thinking. One pack here, more. You have double pack, the middle divided between. Wow, you feel good at your hand. Here you can put 3 credit cards, 1 2 3, and here 3 more. So 6 credit card or ID card. You can put your more pack inside both sides. So many pack you have in this case. Simple, elegant, in budget price as well. Looks good, feel good at my hand. A quality product indeed. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.